For this question, it says, for what values of x does the function obtain a relative minimum? Find the relative minimum value. For what value or values does the function obtain a relative maximum? Find the relative maximum value. So a relative minimum and relative maximum, those are going to be the highest and lowest values, but in a localized area, localized interval. So what we're really looking for is not the lowest y value on the whole picture or the highest y value on the whole picture. We're looking for little peaks and valleys in the graph. So that's what we mean by relative. If we narrow our focus, to only this part of the picture relative to that area, we do have a maximum. And if we narrow our focus to this part of the picture, we do have a minimum. So we're not looking for the highest overall or the lowest overall. We're looking for those little peaks and valleys, those localized minimums, localized maximums. So let me erase my markings. And this peak that we have right here will be the location of my relative maximum. And that ordered pair has an x value and a y value. The x part is the where part, which is what's being asked in this part right here. For what values of x does the function obtain a relative, well, this is maximum, obtain a relative maximum, and then find that relative maximum. So this part C is asking for the x, and the part D is asking for the y. So you're going to answer for part C, -7, and for part D, 7. So this is the maximum value, and this is the location, the x at which the maximum occurs. So then this little dip right here, this little valley, that's going to be our relative min. That's happening at the ordered pair -1, -2. So that x value is the where part, and the y value is the actual min part. So for part A, we're going to say at x equals -1, that's where the minimum occurs, and then the actual minimum, relative minimum, is -2. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.